Hey, what's going on, everyone? Mike here in the BFH garage doing an ARB locker install on a TJ Dana 44, and I just want to take a quick second. I already have videos up there to show you how to install an ARB air locker. So if you're looking for that, go to one of those other videos. Right here, I just want to take a quick second to talk about these oil return slots. These are required when you install an ARB in the rear, not in the front, because the front, the seals are inbound. Or inboard. Here the seals are outboard, so that way they can get lube out to the bearings. So we need to cut in these little return slots. If you come around this side here, you're going to see, go ahead and come around here. You're going to see where I've already done one right here on this side, and that's going to allow that oil to come back into the pumpkin and get back on a recycle there. So now I'm going to do this side here. So the first thing I want to do is get everything covered up so I'm not getting dust everywhere. One of the things I like to do is take a magnet, kind of fold it up into my paper towel here, and I'm going to set it just below, or actually on this side here, I'm going to set it just above where I'm cutting, because this way here, the blade's going a different way. On that side, you want it to be just below, because the wheel's turning this way, throws everything down. Here, everything's going up. So before I install that, one of the things I'm going to do is take little earplugs right here. I'm going to insert those right into the bearing cap bolt holes. That keeps all the dust, grime, and the grit from getting into the circulation. So that's why I'm doing that. And I'm going to take this one here, and I'm going to take the magnet, kind of put it right here, and hopefully it catches a majority of it. This side's a little bit tougher than the other, but anyway, it'll work. And so once we get that there, make sure you have your eye protection on. You're going to take a Dremel tool with a little cutoff wheel, and you're going to cut a slot. And the easiest way to do this is to cut one slot, another slot, another slot. So figure out your inside edge, your outside edge, and then just cut a whole bunch of individual slots, and eventually you're going to work them all down until you have one little slot right there. Let me show you. So you see here I have my inside slot, my outside slot. Now I just need to remove the inside of this, and then that'll give me a slot for the actual oil to drain. One thing you do got to be careful with this, even though I put the magnet there, you can see it's catching the majority of the dust, is this cutoff wheel is sending grit this way. You do have a potential that you could light your rag on fire, so make sure you're paying attention for that, and it's as easy as that. So just cut out the rest of this slot, then we're going to clean out the housing real good before we reinstall the air locker. That's all I got. Hope you enjoyed this.